Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Pururam. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
60-70% assurances are only on paper. They are on ground, the assurances have not been fulfilled. So paper compliance म्हणटा पळय, पेपर कम्प्लायन्स आहा. डिपार्टमेंट सांगता हे अशें तशें तशें. सादी वस्त. फंड बीन सगळे इव्हेंटांक उडटात आनी पयशे खातात. हो फॉर्म्युला हे सरकाराचो. कांयच करप ना, इव्हेंट करप, लोकांक पिशे करप. इफ यू डोंट हॅव ब्रेड ईट केक. मारी आंतोनेत म्हणून तेणें सांगिल्लें ते करतात. आमी जाल्यार उदकाक फाटीशेर हाडटा, उदक ना, हे करतात इव्हेंट.
See, I'm continuously meeting gate. All assurances we are trying to see how much we can do. Issues are high, but whatever is been done, whatever has to be done, as a assurance committee chairman, I'm doing it. There will be some which will be incomplete due to various reasons. Could be the government has not followed up. Maybe some things are left behind. But most of the assurances are complete. Let us say, last time I had said almost what assurance we took. तितूंतले आमी गेले तितूंतले आमी 70% गेल्ले, 30% शुल्ले. आतां तितून जे कंप्लीट जालें ना, if the committee is not satisfied, we write to the speaker to that this has been जाला हें जालां. But most of the assurances तेंगे reply बरें येतात. Some who don't give, we see that we call the secretary.
So according to you, the 70-80% assurance has been fulfilled?
70% we have completed. तितूंतले म्हणजे थोडे आहाय ते redundant. Some already completed, some already. So we have touched almost 70%.